Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to FASTCABLING, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest in technology. Today in this video, we are on a mission to explore the fascinating world of security cameras, from the sleek Doom cameras to the robust bullet type and the versatile BTC camera. So we've got a lot to cover. So let's zoom in and focus. Now take a look at this impressive lineup. Security cameras have evolved significantly, and today they cater to a wide array of needs. So to simplify things, we are going to categorize these cameras based on one key feature: their lenses, fixed and adjustable. First up, let's meet our 4mm fixed lens Doom camera. Notice its compact size and sleek design. Doom cameras are not just about aesthetics. They're built to blend seamlessly into the environment, making them perfect for indoor use. Their discreet nature is a massive plus for spaces like retail store or offices. Now let's talk about its counterpart, the 4mm fixed lens bullet camera. At first glance, you will notice the stark difference in their appearance. Bullet cameras are more conspicuous, designed to deter potential threat just by being visible. But here are a little secret. Despite their different exteriors, the inner working, especially the lens, the 4mm fixed lens, and the imaging capabilities are remarkably similar. So whether it's Doom for indoor elegance or a bullet for outdoor resilience, the core feature remains the same. So it's all about choosing the right tool for the job. Now moving on to the adjustable lens cameras. Now these cameras bring something new to the table: flexibility. Unlike fixed lens cameras, adjustable lens models allow you to zoom in and out, giving you the control over the field of view without sacrificing image quality. But here's where it gets interesting. The real game changer for these cameras is something called pixel density. Now, pixel density determines how clear your image will be. In a simpler term, it's about how many tiny dots or pixels can fit into a single inch of your camera's display. More pixels mean sharper images, especially when you zoom in. So when you focus on a specific area, you will get a clear image. But with a larger area, you will get blurry image instead. So we talk about fixed lens and adjustable lens camera. Now let's not forget about how this camera connects to your system. We have Wi-Fi and wired. Now Wi-Fi cameras offer the convenience of easy setup and flexibility in placement. However, they can sometimes suffer from signal interruption. And wired cameras, on the other hand, promise stability and reliability. Though they require a bit more effort in installation, they're still your best bet for consistent performance. So if pulling cable isn't a deal breaker for you, going wire is the way to go. But for those tricky spots or when you need a quick setup, Wi-Fi has got your back. Now let's meet our Wi-Fi dual lens camera. Now this isn't just your everyday security camera. It is equipped with two lenses, allowing it to capture two different views simultaneously, monitoring your front door and the driveway with a single device, or keeping an eye on both the cash register and the entrance in your store. It's like having two cameras packed into one sophisticated compact unit. Besides saving on the cost of the second camera, installation is a breeze. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you're not wrestling with cables or worrying about placement near power outlets. So it is flexible and provides double the coverage without doubling the hassle. Now for easier installation, we do have a junction box mount brackets, so you can manage your cables and keep them neat and clean. The dual lens cameras excel in providing broad coverage, but it might not be the champion of vast distances. If you're planning to monitor a large area, or the camera can only be placed at a vast distance, And that's where our PTZ camera comes into play. Its ability to pan, tilt, and zoom gives you a 360 degrees view, making it perfect for monitoring a large area. From parking lots to public events, the PTZ camera steps up for those needing to zoom in on detail or cover a vast area. So now for a quick view, I'm going to show you our PTZ camera's 30 times optical zoom capability. I connected to a controller so I can pan, tilt, and zoom using this controller here. Now I'm going to twist it to zoom in our bullet camera to the window. And instantly, you can even see the trees, the lights, and also the cars at our window. Not only you can zoom in all the way, you can also zoom out back to our office here, and you can pan tilt using this controller, go up and down just like this. How convenient! So let's get back to our cameras. Most security cameras come equipped with infrared LEDs for night vision. And this LED emits infrared lights that are invisible to the human's eyes but not to the camera's sensor. So this allows the camera to see in complete darkness. And the reason is in black and white is that the camera's main goal at night is to maximize contrast and clarity without the complexity of color, ensuring objects and movement are easily discernible. And while infrared technology offers clear, detailed images in the absence of light, some scenarios demand more. So here's the camera that equipped with a white light system. For those who prefer color accuracy and detail, even in the dead of the night. So in situations where identifying the color of a vehicle, clothing, or an object is crucial, the white light camera excels. They can provide real-time, color-rich images that can make all the difference in security operations. And while white light brings color to the night, it's most effective in smaller areas. So the reach of white light's LED is limited. If you're monitoring a large area, having additional ambient lighting is needed, whether from street lamps, exterior building lights, or in-store security lights can dramatically improve the quality of night vision footage. More lights means better clarity, longer detection ranges, and improved color fidelity in cameras that support color night vision. And there you have it, a whirlwind tour of the diverse world of security cameras. Whether it's the discreet charm of dome cameras, the flexibility of adjustable lenses, or the connectivity options, there's a camera out there for every scenario. And remember, it's not just about keeping an eye out. It's about clarity, convenience, and choosing the right camera for your needs. Now, thank you very much for joining us. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech insight. And I'll see you in the next video.